totally dressed like a referee. Hey, offside. No, throw. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today's video is another backdrop, and this one's very cute one. I will be using floral wire, some foam, and a red construction paper. If you want to see what this bundle of supplies will bring you as a backdrop, then keep on watching. I'm down in my basement because I need this foam. I brought this little saw, tool to cut my strips of foam. I'm done cutting my foam. Took me some time to figure out how to cut this foam in the best way, but I ended up using the serrated knife. Let me show you quickly what I did with my phone, how I cut this exactly. I measured out how big or how wide of strips I want for my strips to be, and I kind of marked how big, how wide I want my strips to be. Keep on cutting your foam deeper and deeper. Flip it around, and here you have your strips. I'm out in my garage and I am preparing to spray my foam strips with this metallic gold, bright reflective finish wood Madeleine glass. We'll see if it works on foam. I will spray them with gold from both sides, and we'll let this dry, and we'll bring this inside and get ready for the next step. Done spray painting my foam. Make sure you get into those little, I don't know what that is, folds, cracks, really good to cover the foam's color. I'm waiting until they dry completely, and right now while they're drying, I'm going to show you what we're doing next. To start on my flowers, I would need some construction paper. I want to use brighter color construction paper. That's why I kind of chose red. Also, I might use different colors. We'll see what's gonna happen. Also, I have this puncher. It will make your life a lot easier if you do have a puncher at home. This puncher I bought at my local AC Moore store. I love this puncher so much. It's by Marvi Uchida. I hope I pronounced that right. Very nice. I've been using this for so long. It didn't break. It didn't. The blade didn't dull. Punches out flowers like there's no tomorrow. Very nice quality. Also, I would need some hot glue, scissors, and I would need some floral wire. This wire has 30 pieces of wire in it. Each wire is 18 inches long. Love this wire. Very nice and pliable to work with. Punching my flowers out, I'm ready to build my flowers. So I'm taking one of the wires. I'm taking 2 flowers, putting a dab of glue in the middle, and I'll be sandwiching this wire in between these flowers, just like that. Fluff your flowers up, and this is your wired flower. I want to try to add a third flower on this wire and keep on working on mixing my flowers, like 1 flower, 2 flowers, 3 flowers. All right, so I'm done with my bars. They are dry and nice looking. I really love how this side of my foam bars look. They look like wood. I love it a lot. I left this side not sprayed. It doesn't matter because you won't see this side anyways. And I didn't have enough paint. So I did put 1 needle with the pearl right here. The reason is I want to tie my fishing line to my pearl. I'm taking a long strip of fishing line and I am tying this fishing line to my needle. Okay, 1 is ready. Repeat this 3 more times. All right, my needles are ready with a fishing line. So what I'm doing now is taking 1 needle and inserting it on an angle into my foam. And that way, on an angle, it will give me a better hold of this foam. Okay, now I'm coming to my backdrop to hang these foam blocks. I'm taking these 2 fishing lines that I have already attached to my foam, and I'm making a knot, taking 1 of the needles with pearls, putting into that knot and tying that knot around this needle with pearl. I'm gonna show you this up close to make sure you guys see this very well. I'm taking my fabric and my needle. I'm going in to the fabric with my needle, coming back, and then going into the fabric again. Push it in, and it holds it very nice and securely. Hang all of your bars the same way I showed you with these pins with pearls on top, and we'll start on our next step. Here guys, I ended up hanging 5 of the foam bars. We'll see how it goes. Also, I did divide all of my flowers into 5 bunches. I do have pliers with me. We'll see if I need to shorten some of the flowers. We'll just go with the flow, and I'm excited to make this happen. I'm just starting by placing these flowers here and there on an angle, straight, I mean going different directions. Hold your foam at the bottom and push your flowers in as low as you want in different directions. What I have for you guys, and I am in love with this backdrop. It's very cute, very easy to do, very simple. I will play with lighting, up lighting. I use LED lights. I will link them in the description down below, and I'll see what color light goes well with this backdrop, and I will share some of the pictures and maybe some snippets of a video at the end of this DIY. Alright you guys, so in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this backdrop, but also if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments below, and I will be there. Definitely I'll be there to answer every single
one of them. And if you're here for the first time and you want to be a part of this backdrop DIY corner, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you back very soon. Bye-bye.